Today on the homestead, we have an orphan after the foxes' visit last night. Meet Pedette. We thought it was a Peter, but it's a Pedette. Yes. We will now raise it the best way we can. And that's the life on the homestead. She's napping. She decides what she wants to do and what she doesn't want to do. And every now and then she'll just pop up. Yeah, so Pedette just came out of my bra and she's now in her box with a heat lamp, water, a little coffee filter so she can have some shade. Nobody likes to look in direct light too much, do they? And then she has some food. Still. Yeah, whatever. Okay, good luck, Pedette. Pedette. So we have a situation. Daniel said come and film this, and I was editing, so I'm coming here. And we have a new family member, Pedette. Daniel is now walking Pedette. She comes jumping into our hands. She's very tame. She's an orphan now. So we're trying to teach her. So basically, Pedette over here, she, like I said, the fox took her mom last night and her brothers and sisters, so she's alone. So she's outside now. She's been resting in her box. So Dad is taking her out for a walk. So, you know, just a normal day on the homestead. Where's Daisy Moo? Oh, there she is. No more walking? That was it? Do you want to come over? Pedette, are you tired? What's going on, baby? Will you tell us about it? Yes? Yes? I know, baby.
I think she's trying to.
Come to Mama.
You're sleeping. Where is that?
Poor baby. Aww.
She had a rough night.
Yes, poor Pedette.
Come here. Oh, you want to eat? Come here. Come on.
Okay, she's good. Good night, Pedette. Okay, so here I am sitting editing, right? And I have Pipette. We talked about this, you know, I'm making the video. So by now you know that Pipette is sleeping in here, right?
Yes.
Yes, in there. Yes, you see I'm editing. That's the video, that's me. And Daniel just came inside. And he has this look on his face. We have another one? Hi, Daddy. Oh, hi, Daddy. Oh my gosh, nej men hallå då. Hi, sweetie pie. Oh my gosh, who are you? You're such a cutie boy. So now what do we do? Hunt for more?
I'm going to go hunt for more.
Yeah, so do you want to put that one in here?
Yes, I'm going to put that one. In here?
In my bra?
Okay, yes.
Now they can be together, you see, because I've been, I had a traumatized chicken once, and I put it with her chicken and he healed, so. Now there's two.
No, we're...
What's his name? Her name? Is it a boy or a girl? Hi, baby. That's one of the features I love about my husband.
And grass, how sweet the sound that sound a rush like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind.
Hi, Daddy. What are you doing? Where is she? She's in there. Is she asleep? What's she doing?
Pecking at the shirt.
Aww, baby. Hi, Pedette. There she is. Hi, Pedette. Good morning, baby. Hi, how are you, baby? Hi. Oh, she likes to hang out with us. She's just a hangout girl. We're making a video about you, baby. Yes, editing today. Yes. I can't see anything. I think, is that where you turn off the